Okay, I hope this is better. Guess I think I found my angle. But yeah. Anyway, welcome back. Now, piggybacking off of yesterday's video, um, this is like obviously you can tell by the title, 80% psychology. So I'm gonna give you a little backstory on. I'm so sorry. Let me give you a little backstory. So I got a mentor, and had like 2K set to the side to trade with because I kept seeing his signals. So imagine, keep in mind, it's like I said, trading is like 80%, 90% psychology, 99% psychology, I guess, or 95, and then 5% strategy. Um, or we could say 90 psychology, 5 risk management. No, I'm lying. We could say 45 psychology, 45 risk management. Okay, I guess risk management also goes to psychology. So let's just put it out all in one, then 10% strategy. Anyway, so he kept saying these signals, and I'm like, damn, this guy posts signals on, like, because I had him on WhatsApp before I paid for his mentorship. He just saved me, I guess to see, just to show off like he actually makes money. Then I see, his signals were accurate, bro. Then I realized, like, oh, this guy had a Telegram group also. So I'm like, so I had this other partner I was with that I was trading with. We would put money together and trade and whatever his signals, and I kept showing like, bro, look, this guy setting up the signal. Like, imagine the money we could have made. So keep in mind, my psychology then was already fucked because I'm already depending on signals, let alone learning. Okay, initially I did want to get his mentorship so I could learn, but I was already so hooked on the signal side that it kind of fucked me up mentally because I was already coming off of like 3 months of trying to figure out myself, and I got nowhere. Still didn't understand what I was doing. To finding him, it's like, oh, he signals are, and figuring, okay, deciding like, okay, I'm gonna get a mentor. Signals are crazy good, accurate. Oh, we're gonna make so much money. Blah 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 blah. Fine. Got his mentorship, sent out a signal, lost. Like, okay, I only lost because the app froze, so I entered at a retrace. Oh, blew my 1,000 same time, bro. I was depressed. I'm like, damn. But like, it wasn't my fault. It was the app's fault. But at the end of the day, like, I shouldn't have entered then. Like, I should have just chilled. Should have just like set it out, you know. Fine. Then the next week came. He sent out a signal. I entered 2 lots. I entered 0.2 and 0.3. Bro, that shit, like, we made so much money from that, and I was like, damn. I'm like, yeah, I see signals work. We drew that money, whatever. I think I've told the story before already. And then, but this is like more based on, I'm focusing on the psychology side. So now I'm on a high now. Now I'm like, bro, we can do this again. We're gonna do the same shit tomorrow. Look, bro, I was already like thinking, like, damn, I'll make 20K tomorrow. I'm gonna make so much money tomorrow with his strategy. Like, bro, with his signal, keep in mind, with his signals, I didn't learn yet. Okay, I did learn, but I didn't like actually learn. He just told me about, okay, support resistance, I use rays, trend lines, shit that anyone could get for free online on YouTube. I mean, he just taught me the tools. He didn't teach me how to trade with the tools. Even till this day, he still hasn't taught me how to trade with the tools. But anyway, candlestick formations. But anyway, I had to learn that shit on YouTube for free. How to enter, how to exit, how to set stop loss, how to set take profit. I learned that shit for free. And shout out to Sai for that ICC, bro. Yeah, man, these mentors, bro, really don't know what they be doing, bro. Anyway, fine. Now moving on. Okay, so I'm really like dreaming, bro. I'm like, damn, I make so much money. Yo, I make so much money. And I wasn't even. Oh, I bought my brother a phone. I didn't show it to him till like 2 days after because I was sleeping at this other ex of mine's house. And she's talking. I'm just there thinking, oh, tomorrow I make so much bank. I didn't tell her I made bank that day. Like about 10K. I didn't tell her. I kept it to us. And keep my head at like 1.5 to 10K. That was crazy in a matter of like 2 minutes. But anyway, I'm already thinking, yo, I'm already writing down what I'm gonna buy. Like, yo, this 20K tomorrow, I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna get this first, get this first, get this first. And it's like, damn, I was excited, bro. I was on a high. Keep in mind, my psychology is fucked because I'm depending on these signals. So I'm like, now tomorrow's gonna send another signal, we're gonna do the same shit again. I still don't know how to trade though. Okay, cool. The next day, market is quiet. Like shit. Almost lost money. I was in heavy drawdown. Closed it like I think $88. Okay, right now we'll try later. That was New York session. Okay, it didn't work out. Came back the next day. I'm still excited. I'm like, nah, it was Tuesday. Now I'm like, nah, Thursday we're gonna really make bank now. Thursday comes, heavy drawdown, make like $500. Okay, it's fine. It's something. It's not the 10K, 20K that I was thinking of. Fine, move on. And then never saw that money again. I just kept losing. I blew like 3K in I blew like maybe half on Friday, and then the Monday I lost it all. I was like, damn, this is July now. Depressed now because I waited the whole month just to deposit 3K. I didn't deposit, to donate 3K. Now psychology is fucked. I don't know what to do now. I don't even know how I got through. I don't even know how I got through that phase, bro. I'll be dead ass with you. I don't even know how I got out of that phase. I don't know because I was depressed. I was like, fuck, why is this shit not working? I'll be calling trades out like without money. It'll be going my way. Then when it's time to enter and add money, I lose it. And it's like, bruh, I don't even know what July was just like a blip. August was also just like a blip. Oh, towards the end of August when I took leave, yeah, then I kind of got my strides, to focus on TJR strategy. But my psychology was fucked because I was so heavy on the outcome, like the 20K, the money. It just got me high. It's like, damn, I need to be doing this, bro. I need this. And it's crazy, this guy is talking about him, like believing in yourself, bro. And I'm gonna watch this video. I love just watching people talk about psychology inside. I don't really care about the strategy, but yeah, bro, I was high, bro, and I got humbled real quick. And this goes back to why I'm saying psychology, because I was so dependent on the outcome and not even learning, because I was still trying to learn, but I just wanted the money, bro. And that ultimately hindered my growth, and that's why they probably say it takes long, bro. Your psychology is really important because when you focus on the setups and your goal is to wake up every day, your job is to find the setup. You don't see a setup, then you're done for the day. If you see the setup, you execute, and you know where to exit. And that really boils down to also your strategy, bro. Because some people can trade with TJ's strategy, like you could trade every day, realistically. But then it's like, then my win rate's gonna go down because today market might not do what it did yesterday and I lose. And every day I'll trade, it's like I'm gonna trade every day, and I'm seeing that kind of really fucked up my psychology because like I'm expecting to make money every day, and market's not gonna always move like that. There'll be days where it doesn't move at all, and then you're gonna force a trade because I'm like, okay, this got swept. Some people can maybe they really figured it out. I didn't figure out how to not trade because I'll see those things get swept, but when I found this, my whole psychology shift, bro. It's like, no. And I already knew, like, I didn't want to trade every day because I'm losing. I could lose 5 times. I would win the whole week, and then the Friday I lose everything. Whereas I could have just traded the Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, or the 3 days, and then taken the Friday off and not trade it because I didn't see the setup. And with this, it really helped, bro. Like, I don't know if you're ever gonna see this, like, bro, Sai, like, you really shifted my psychology, bro. Because now I can wait for setups. I can wait for A+ setups. And my win rate could just skyrocket because I'm waiting. I'm picky on what I enter. Like, I wasn't going to trade Friday. I told my last week before, like, heading to Joburg, because I was traveling. But then I saw a setup and I took it. And I would have made money, but I obviously put my stop loss in the wrong place. But then it's like I didn't want to. And I didn't look, I looked at the charts for a bit and then I just mised the whole day. And then the opportunity presented itself. I was like, oh shit, let me take it. And I would have paid back. But, you know, Monday, I don't trade Mondays because Mondays shit moves slow. Because price could even indicate, it indicated on a Friday. Monday's going to correct. Tuesday will operate, it will move, continue. Or Wednesday. And it's like, damn, I really don't need to be on the charts every day. I could focus on other things now. Like I'm focusing on other side hustles now. And psychology, bro, like you really need to decide for yourself. Like, do you want to be on the charts every day, risking your money, or you want to sit on the sidelines and wait for quality setups and then take a trade that will set you up for the whole month or for the next 2 weeks, like he's been saying. So you really just gotta also figure out like how you want to be. I don't want to trade every day. I want to open a trade and hold it and let it do its thing. Hit take profit, hit stop loss, it's fine. And then come back another day, wait for the setup. Okay, nothing today. It's correcting today. I don't need to be on the charts anymore. I'm chilling. I'll come back Wednesday. Then you're risking less of your money, and that's also preserving your capital for when those A plus setups come through. You know you could enter with utmost conviction. If I can't even increase your lot size by like 0.01. If you 0.01, go to 0.2 because you know, okay, I got capital. I can risk this much. Not blow my account, set your stop loss, and then boom, not full margin and shit. As your full margin trader, which kinda is dumb. It's not dumb, but it's like for me, it's like yo, that's too risky, bro. I don't have that risk appetite. I rather just open a big lot size and then let it do its thing. Set my stop loss, do it. Because some people full margin, you can't set stop loss on all those positions, bro. You're just running your account. You just want to blow your account. Whereas if you open like one big lot size, maybe set your stop loss so it doesn't blow your account, then you can come back the next day and make it all back. But anyway, yeah, man, that's psychology fucked me up. But now I shifted. 7 months in, I counted today. 7 months, and yo, I was in a starting off. I was in a dark place. I was confused. I didn't know where I was going. Got out, came back down, so dark, and then now I'm slowly chipping my way out of the darkness, bro. And I'm actually out now. I feel like I'm not in a dark place anymore because I know what I'm doing. Now I'm on the surface level now. Now I can see the road and I can see where I'm going. So you just gotta also just figure out the type of trader you are. Really resonate. When I say resonate, bro, you feel it here, because you can understand it here, but if you feel it here, this is it. Damn, this is it. Like the same high you got when you found trading and saw that it was legit. That same high or feeling you need to have when you find your strategy, because you can understand it and do it, and you still like it's not making sense. It doesn't fit the type of person I am. And then from then on, everything will be Gucci. But yeah, man, 7 months in, bro. And these have been the best 7 months in, I don't even, since childhood, bro, if I'm being honest. I never found my purpose. I mean, music, yeah, but not like this, bro. Because this is like cash. This is like I can take care of myself. To even find the music thing, take care of my family, take care of myself. Live the life that I want, bro, and get out of this 9 to 5. We're still at 9 to 5. I'm still on leave at the time of recording, but yeah, I'm going back this Saturday. But yeah, man, that's ultimately it. So stop depending on signals. Signals are bad, bro. I don't care what anyone says. Signals are a disease in the trading community, bro. I see it now. It's a disease. Stop paying for signals, bro. Stop paying for signals. Take it from someone who was depending on them. Because it's a drug. Because you're waiting on this guy. Like, dog, okay, what's up now? Like, what's the move now? Like, dog, I'm trying to make money today. Dog, I'm waiting on you. What are you saying, bro? What are you saying? Like, bruh, open the charts. Do something. Tell me what to do. Are we buying or are we selling? Can't tell me you're not trading today, bro. Every day time is money. Time is moving. So people are making money. So yeah, man. Don't signals. I know it's a side hustle for some people, but that's it. If people could get together and stop depending on signals and rather pay for mentorship and want to learn, then you'll be straight, bro. And I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna stand on this opinion till, bro. Signals are a disease, bro. They keep you wanting more, and every day you wanna risk your 1,000 rand only for you to blow it. Because sometimes your mentor's also wrong, bro. Then what? You won't even know why you lost the money. You're just gonna blame him because he doesn't know how to trade. But if you trade the old money and you try and learn, you'll learn. Oh, okay, I did it wrong like this. It's like paying someone to okay. Some people have it's like paying someone to go do your driver's license for you, and then if they fail, you're gonna blame them. But it's like you don't know why they failed. They also human, they make mistakes. But had you gone, you would have known like, okay, I shouldn't do this. I shouldn't when I'm on incline, I shouldn't go back. You know, like I should know these things. So when you do it yourself, you don't have anyone else to blame but yourself. But now you depend on other people. It's kind of princess treatment, bro, because you're depending on other people. But yeah, that's all I had to say. Stop depending on signals, bro. Lock in, fix your psychology, focus on the learning aspect, and then build yourself as a human being outside of the charts, in the charts. Be disciplined, be confident in your strategy, because I'm confident with this like 100%, bro. Like I know it. I know how to mark up levels. I know how to mark up shit, bro. Like you can't tell me. I could lose. I lost today. 2 trades. 3 actually. Got stopped out at break even, then lost money on the other 2. But then I'm like, nah. Looked at another pair. I would say it's revenge trading. I was just looking, and then I saw, oh shit, there's a possible setup right here. It's A plus. Waited for it close below the indication level, below the buys. Entered, set my stop loss, set my take profit, hit my take profit, bro. So all the money I lost in the morning, I made that back, and I still made some. And because I know, I was confident, I'm like, nah, I'm gonna wait for this hourly candle to close. I'm not gonna wait for 5 minutes. I want the hourly candle to close. 5 minute, yeah, 15-minute, cool, because it could still reject and move up, and then the hourly candle closes above. No, I wanted to close. I waited because I also got tempted, but that's another video on not over trading and getting tempted and all that. But yeah, peace, brothers and sisters.